Often when I'm typing a new email or replying to an email, I need certain characters that don't appear on my keyboard. So for this I need to insert symbols. For example, I'm going to click on my inbox in the navigation pane and I'm going to click the new email button in my ribbon. I'm going to click in the body of the message and I want to address this email to Therese. So I'll go Dear Therese. Now, this E that I require is a macron. It has a little fleck above the E. So to get the correct character, I'm going to click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. And I'm going to the far right in the Symbols group and clicking the Symbol button. What I can do is choose from the selection here, or I can go into More Symbols. The particular symbol I'm looking for belongs to the font Normal, and Normal appears in brackets, so it's right at the top of the list. So I'm going to choose the Normal Text font. In here are a number of characters, and some of these characters are including macrons with little flecks above them. Now the character I require is this one, so I'm going to click this particular character and click Insert. This inserts this character into my email in the background. I can then click in the background, type in S, and then come back to my Insert Symbol window and choose this character. I'll then click Insert, and there I have Dear Therese, and her name is spelled exactly how she likes it. Other options include, when travelling to Taupo. Now, Taupō actually has a line above the O, and Taupō is a macron. So I'm going to look through my normal text and I'm looking for a little O with a line above it, and here it is here. So I'll insert this particular character. Now when travelling to Taupō is spelt correctly. I might then type or whakatane. Now the A I need here also has a line above it, so I'm coming back to my Insert Symbol window and I'm looking for an A with a line above it. And here it is here, so I'll insert that character. And then I can click in the background and continue the spelling of whakatane. When travelling to Taupō or whakatane, it's important to tick certain spots. Now to insert a tick, I'm coming back to my Insert Symbol window, but I'm going to change the font from normal text to Wingdings, because I know that there's a tick in the Wingdings font. When I change it to Wingdings, there's all these sorts of characters, and right at the bottom of Wingdings is a tick, and a tick inside of a square. So I'll choose the tick inside of a square, and insert that option there. And there's my tick inside the square. If I decide I didn't want that tick, I'll backspace over it, and I'll insert this tick. I click on the symbol and click Insert, and there it is in my email. If you felt that certain characters were going to be used frequently, you might decide to assign a shortcut key to a character. I'm going to click the Shortcut Key button. Here I can press any key combination that I want to apply to this symbol, and it will be stored in this file here. For example, I'm going to press Ctrl-Alt-T and assign Ctrl-Alt-T to the tick. It's currently assigned to the trademark symbol, but I don't use the trademark symbol, so I'd rather assign it to the tick. So I'll click the Assign button, and now these keys are assigned to the tick. If I then click Close and close again, whenever I need a tick, I just press Ctrl-Alt-T. And this is nice and quick whenever I need to insert a tick. Something we looked at earlier was AutoCorrect. I might decide, for example, if I ever type Taupō, that I want it to be spelt this way. So I'm going to select this word. I'm then going to go to File and choose Options and choose Mail on the left, and then click Spelling and AutoCorrect. I'll then click the AutoCorrect Options button, and I'll tell Outlook that whenever I type Taupō like this, I want it replaced with the formatted version of Taupō, and there it is there. So I'll click Add, and OK, and OK, and OK. I might do the same to whakatane, so I'll select whakatane. I'll then go to File, into Options, into Mail, Spelling and AutoCorrect, and AutoCorrect Options. I'll then tell Outlook to replace whakatane with the formatted version of whakatane I have selected in the background. And there it is there. I'll click Add, OK, OK, and OK. Now whenever I type topor and hit the space bar, it automatically replaces it with topor with a macron for the O. If I type whakatane and press the space bar, it automatically corrects whakatane by putting a line above the third A.